Yo, what's up guys, it's Mystic, and if you're getting this error on your Fire Stick or your movie plays with absolutely no sound, don't worry, Amazon's recent update actually broke their browser and we can actually fix it, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how. So the first thing we actually need to do is get the VLC installed, and this is basically going to be our engine that will play our movie. So basically you type in VLC player and then it will be the icon with the cone on it. So you just click on it and click download, and then that is it for your first step. Now for the next step, we're actually going to go to the Internet Silk app, or the Amazon Silk app, which is their built-in internet browser, and then you're going to go in the search field and go to Stremio's direct website, which is actually just going to be web.stremio.com, and this will take you directly to the website. Now once you are here, I would highly suggest go ahead and logging into your account so you can make sure all your add-ons are synced up from your phone if you don't see them. But for this example right here, I got a public domain movie, which is Night of the Living Dead. Because this is purely for educational purposes only, I'm going to go ahead and go to my public domain movies, and then we're going to go ahead and find our high quality link. And right here, if you see video not supported, don't worry about this, because this just means that the browser can't decode the file. So what we're going to do is simply go back and try a different source from a list until it actually gives us a video that pops up where we can load up the video player interface. Now once that is loaded up, we're going to actually click on these three dots and hit copy stream link, and then this is actually just extracting the raw video feed. And we're going to take that raw video feed to actually move it to a better player, which will actually be the VLC player that we just installed earlier. So once we do get to the VLC player, we're going to scroll down till we get to where it says stream. And then when we click on this, it actually should automatically paste what we just copied. So you'll just literally click on the box itself, and then once you do that, just hit next. And as you can see, it should manually bridge our connection to our VLC player, and boom, as you can see, we got a perfect 4K video with surround sound and no errors. So now other than that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you guys want to see, and if this definitely helped out a movie night, don't forget to hit that like button. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.